Hello everyone. If you are new in my channel, so welcome to my channel. And if you are already subscribed my channel, so welcome back. So today we will create some button hover animation. So let's start with let's start with this. Okay. So let's create a anchor tag, and I will go with the class called button, and in that we will use learn more, we can say. Okay, so you can see this, we do not want JS and we just want a CSS only. Okay, so okay, before start, this button should be on the center of screen, right? So we will use a flex box, so let's go with the flex box. Justified contain center. Okay, align items center. Why didn't came? Because this one. Okay, so this text should be come up in the between of screen, so we will use a height here. We'll go with the height. Okay, so it will come up in so we do not want the overflow, so we will hide this overflow, and we will just do not want the margin also, so you can see the button is on the center. Okay, let's go with white, black and red. We can change later if you want it, so let's create. Okay, the button icon, let's display inline block, then the text decoration none, because we do not want that. Padding 14 pixel, 24 pixel, and for color we do not want white and we do not want black also, so we just want like off-white color, we can say. So E, F3 and D2. Okay, F3 then D2. Okay, not much white, not much black, we can see it's some like sort of off-white, we can say. So, and the border will go with the 1 pixel solid with the same color, F3 D2. Okay, so this is what it will look like, and my animation should not go outside this button, so we will use overflow hidden and position relative, and the transitions of my color, we need that transition for color 0.5 seconds and 0.25 seconds. Okay, so let's format this. Okay, So we will need to get to two things in that, like a before and after, so we will go with that. So we will go with the before and after contain, then position absolute, we will use this position absolute, okay, position absolute. Then we will go with the top 0, then width should be 50%, height should be 100% for both, and color should be the same color, the border color, F3D2, and then we will use the Z index -1. Then transform, we'll use a transform, scale x as in 0, and the translate, we will transform that. We will use that transform inside translate. And one more thing, if we go with this, so we will use like a cube, so you will use with a cubic bezel, we can say. So we'll use a cubic bezel like a 0.5 comma 0.135 comma 0.15 0.86. Okay. For a before, okay, for before we will start from 0, left 0, and my transition origin should start from left, okay, and for after we will go with the right one. So we'll just copy and paste this, we'll put after here, we will use right here, and in the origin we will put right here, okay. And when this will start, it will start when this cursor hover on the button. So let's go with hover button. My color of text should be change on that time. So 689C0, and the transition delay of my text, will use the transition delay of my text as in 0.5 seconds. Button, okay. Button hover for both the before and after, we can say. So we will use a before and after as in hover. The transform we had it as an 0, right? So we will go with 1. So this is what we done. So let's test this output. Something is different, I can see. using the cubics as in transform. I hope we had added a right name here. Background color, let's do one thing more. Let's go with the before. That's right. Basically okay, there should be a transform here. It should be not a translate. Okay, this is what I needed. We added a translate here. We need transform. So if we go, so we need this one. That's right. If we hover this, so let's see if yeah, rest is looking good, so there is no issues. It's starting from 0, so there is no issues. But I think I can see one thing. If we remove or if we change, let's remove this. Let's see what happens. We should not remove this one. Yeah, the rest of it is fine, we can say. So it is no issues regarding all. Color is taking from this. The button, I can see this like a button, like it's giving like a 1 pixel something around that. I do not want that. Everything is fine. Everything is fine, like this is like a background color overhead here. This should be more. That's right. So if we hover this, so the background color, I mean the width will be 100 pixels, right? So at what we need to figure out. Okay, so let's go with 101. like if background is color is coming background, the color is changing background, so the text should change afterwards. So what, yeah, this is what we need. If you need to change the text font or something, you can change as per your requirement. So this is like a, yeah, this is pretty nice what we had created, like a simple button, like a hover button we can say, like a flat button we can say. Yeah, that's the profile here. Okay, so make sure you subscribe my channel, follow my Instagram, Facebook, then CodePen. If you like this video, so thumbs up, and if you haven't doubt, so you can write in comments. So I will add this link in the description, so you can get this code in the descriptions. Okay, so meet you in the next video. Okay, so yeah, bye bye.